Hello, hello! If you are at home, now is a great time to catch up on some gardening. The enjoyment of gardening will lift your spirits, and it's also a great physical activity. At hellohello.com.au, you can browse thousands of plants. Buying from us is like buying straight from the grower, where we select beautiful, healthy stock of the highest quality direct from the field. If you have any questions, you can send us a message online or give us a call, and our staff will help you out. You can also order online or over the phone. We have our best deals ever right now, and we deliver straight to your door for a convenient, contactless transaction. We also do free delivery for orders over $300 to Melbourne Metro and the main regional centres. Buying plants online has never been easier. Visit hellohello.com.au and get it right in the garden. Hello, hello!